again, Kayla. How are you going today? Today, I'll be showing you an unboxing video of what I've just received. I'm so excited because I've been waiting so long to receive this box. As you may have seen in my previous video, I went helmet shopping, so you might get a little clue about what I'm unboxing. Ta-da! I've just received this package. It's an electric skateboard from Wowgo. I purchased two. One was the Longboard and the other one was a Mini. So we're still waiting for the other one. So you and I will discover which one is in this box. Ooh, it's the Mini. Okay, get all these parts out. Wow guys, it looks like I received the Mini today. So what you get inside is the manual handbook. You have the skate mount if you'd like to hang your board on the wall. The brake light if you like to go riding at night. A skate tool. You have the controller to accelerate and to slow down. That's handy. The battery pack. The foam pads to change your battery and your skate deck. And of course, the Wowgo Mini. Let's go test it out and I'll give you my first impression. Now, to turn on the board, turn your board around, press on the power button for a few seconds till the red light flashes. And to pair it with the remote control, press the power button for a few seconds until the green light comes up. Now, let's try testing the wheels. Remote control up and slowing down. Mini, and let me tell you, I had so much fun on the board. At first I was a little scared and hesitant to be on a moving electric skateboard, but once you get the hang of it, you just want to go for more and more. The remote control is so easy to use, the brakes work really well, and you feel sturdy on the board. So for my next one, I'll be hopefully receiving the Longboard soon, and I'll be doing my first impressions as well. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!